So, happy St. Patrick's Day, YouTube. This is Chris Somerville of Somerville Mobile Mechanic coming to you. We are working on a Grand National today. Absolutely a turbocharged Grand National. I mean, you don't get just this right here is classic American muscle. If you ever driven one of these, they are just wonderful vehicles. Now, of course, as we can tell, this has been sitting for a little while, but guys wanting me to see if I can get her to fire up. So I'm going to do my best to figure out what's going on here and why this car won't start. Got some real money here and real history if I can get this going. Now, one bad sign is I think I've got a dead battery just about. I got some power in it, but we ain't got a whole lot of power. But I just wanted to take a moment, and before I get started, I wanted to let y'all have a look at it. Got a flat tire on her too, but the engine, she looks pretty good. I'm not seeing a whole lot of ugly under here, at least, but we're going to get a good start at it, and we'll see where it goes. I'm going to pop in with videos from here moving forward on it. But once more, Buick Grand National, beautiful beast right here.